sure doing nothing, taking cans back. Why did I sound southern? I don't know. Just here with Bay still. Got a bag full of cherries and we got some protein ham, cashews, Colby Jack cheese.
Yeah, I forgot my fanny pack for those.
He forgot his fanny pack, so we're just gonna, I don't know, bullshit around, go to Kroger. I don't know.
See where life takes us today.
We'll be back. Okay, so we are at Kroger. We're at Kroger. Like I said, we are gonna vlog the rest of the day. Y'all want to see what we were doing? We are taking cans back because we're broke as fuck.
Broke nigga doing broke shit.
Here we go.
Alright, alright.
Probably like, it's literally probably like $7. But you know what? That's okay. That's our cigarette money, and we smoke like fucking chimneys. So that's what we gotta do. Gotta do what you gotta do. We gotta hustle, honey. We gotta hustle, my baby. So we'll get back to you when we get in there. So.
Stay tuned for upstairs cans.
So this is 96 that we were on. I don't know why my shit ain't focusing, but oh, there we go. So yeah, coming right down here, down Express, and bam, that motherfucker came out in this lane, went right past us. Like, Jesus. So we are in here, doing our thing. I'm just gonna make him do it, you know, why do the work? I just want the money, you know. Sorry. Yes, me.
We make returning bottles looking good.
What? Yes. So honestly, I have no idea what we're gonna do after this. We're just kind of
playing it by ear,
you know. That's what we do. We never ever have a set schedule. We're just kind of dicking around daily. I'm not gonna be mean. I'm gonna actually help him. So you know, we'll come back to you. Maybe dick around in Kroger a little bit. I don't know. You guys have Kroger by you? It's like Kroger just a Michigan thing. Kroger's everywhere, right? Yeah, it's an
You know what? My nephew just came up from Florida.
Yeah.
He told him like, maybe we should stop at the Myers. He's like, what the fuck is the Myers? I'm like,
Yeah, they don't have Myers down south, do they? No? They don't have Myers at a lot of places. I actually prefer Myers. I never really come to Kroger, but yeah, I know, me too. And now that they got the M-Perks, rack up my points, get my coupons. You know me, I love them coupons. So we'll be back. What? Aw, Ben, I hate this. Way to go. What an inconvenience. Well, what the hell is that? Are you serious right now?
I have no idea why.
That was weird. You know what I hate? It's always so loud in here.
Yeah, the machines are there.
Yeah, always so loud. I mean, we don't have that many cans, but we got a decent amount.
Are these your brother's beers? Cause
yeah, he was like, you know what, you can take the cans back if you want. I'm like, okay, fine.
you should tell him to get better beer.
That would be my father. But it gives us something to do, you know, so. Guess I'll take your cans back and get some, oh my god, I did it again. Why isn't it focusing? Okay, here we go. There we go. Let's see what's going on. So yeah, we're just waiting in line, turning our things in. Oh, you guys want to see something actually? So do your states do this? Because now they have this new thing where you can grab one of those things and go shopping and do that. So
it's the first I've seen them.
Let me know down in the comments if y'all state does that, because this is the first thing I've ever seen. And it's pretty new too, so I'm curious. Does every place do that?
Who knows?
I think that's like a new thing.
You tell us.
So now we're just leaving. We did our thing here that we had to do. What's on the agenda now?
Go do bad shit. I don't know.
Alright, we're gonna go do bad shit. We'll film as much as we can, because y'all really don't want to see what we do daily.
Nah, y'all not ready yet.
Y'all never be ready.
Smash that like and subscribe, and maybe we'll get there.
Get me to, let's see, 10,000 likes, and 10,000 subscribers, then I'll film what we really do during the day.
We'll give you a 24 hour, we'll give you the whole weekend on cam. No stopping. You
No
can see
filter, no censor. We'll film it all. So let me know.
That's gonna be one wild ride. So make sure you
Make sure you're really ready.
you gotta be ready for that.
Yeah.
And no snitching.
Yeah. Snitches get stitches.
Bitches.
Bitches. So after Kroger, we decided to pull up on my girl Jocelyn, and she got a new birdie. So be prepared to see a birdie today.
Big bird.
Hi. He's so cute. So his name is Pop-Tart. That's her newest bird that Jocelyn got. Say hi. Oh, you know, hi. No, you don't. You look cute. Isn't this a cute little setup she's got going?
Hello.
I love it. Can you say hello?
Hello.
Hello.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hello.
That's adorable.
I think he's excited.
Yeah.
Hello. Say hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Let's see the other guys that are in here.
Hi.
Oh, what's he doing?
Yeah.
Scratching? Okay, am I blind? Where's the other one that's in here?
Those are nuts. He's locked up, so he can't bite you. But he probably would if he could.
And what's his name?
That's Tweeters.
Oh yeah, Tweeters.
This
Hi.
is Turkey Belly.
What's his name?
Turkey Belly.
Turkey Belly.
We got him first, and he had beautiful feathers. And then we found him at the bird store we got the food from.
Aw. Yeah, come in the light. And you got him from where?
Where we got Pop-Tart at the bird store I worked at.
Okay.
We got him because all of his feathers were plucked off, and I felt bad. And he started plucking off his feathers.
Aw. So he started flicking off his or picking off his feathers?
What? What's wrong?
He's biting at me.
Are you biting him?
Hard, right?
No, but annoyingly.
Yeah, he likes to play.
Hi.
Pop-Tart.
You're so cute.
Yeah, it's beautiful. He's a pretty bird.
He's a pretty bird.
You're a pretty bird.
Alright, so isn't this adorable? She's got a cute little bird set up. I think it's so cute. Oh, you don't want to come to me?
Go.
Step up. Oh,
You want to come?
say step up.
Step up.
Step up? You want to step
He
up?
can sense if you're scared.
You want to come to me?
Step up, up.
Is it because of the camera? You don't like the camera?
No, he likes phones.
Oh, it is the camera? He's like, yeah. You don't step up?
He's smart.
Step
He's
up?
so smart, guys. You see how this is open right here?
It's not passing
Step
to you.
up? No?
Step up. Step up, bud. Step up.
You nibbling on the ear.
Step up.
Hi, Pop-Tart.
Hi.
He's looking at me like he left me.
You want a ball?
Step up. Yeah.
Get it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, he's so smart. You want to play up here, Papa? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come get it.
Get it.
Get it.
Oh, go get it. Go get it.
What are you doing?
That's a pretty bird.
I know, isn't he gorgeous?
He's
Such a
gorgeous.
pretty bird.
Papa.
Like, look at that. That's beautiful. That blue is so pretty.
He's a boy. We got him blood tested. He's a boy.
How do they get tested?
You see his nail right there? How
Yeah.
that one? Hey, you be nice. You be nice. He had to get that so we get the blood out.
Oh, and that's how they test them?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
He's so pretty.
He's a pretty bird.
He's my brother. He's my brother. Yeah. You
Yeah.
see when his eyes get, his pupils get dilated, he's excited.
Really?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
You like my music?
He's like, yeah. Oh, he's dancing.
Yeah, I know. I was trying to get him to sway with me and dance.
Yeah.
Pop-Tart wants to dance.
There you go. Oh my god, look at him go.
Oh
some
yeah, he's
music.
a monkey bird.
Get you some music. Oh, you come to see me. You came to see
What are
me.
you doing?
Oh.
Here, you wanna go?
There you go.
He's so smart. Here, you wanna take a position? There's a stand in there.
Step up.
Step up.
Ooh. Cute little chair. Hi, he's saying step up. Oh, cool. You got to stand like every part of the house. That's
Yeah.
awesome. So you can just take him around with you?
Step up. Yeah. He likes to go to beaches. Come on. Here you go, pumpkin.
There you go.
pie.
Yeah, Pop-Tart.
Yeah. Poppers.
Can you say your name? Pop-Tart.
He can.
Can he? Pop-Tart.
Yeah. Pop-Tart.
Pop-Tart. Look at you. You're the king of the castle.
He likes to
Look
go
at
up.
him.
He swings like he'll like go upside down.
Yeah.
Bubba, you go upside down? No, you're not gonna go upside down and show him how cool you are.
Well, show him.
Show us.
Show him how cool you are.
Show us. Can you go upside down?
Upside up.
Upside down?
I think he's shy.
Upside down?
Hello.
Oh, hi.
Oh, hi.
Oh, hi.
My mom screams around the house.
Hi.
Hi.